Welcome to GKR Tamosri.
Imports and exports of India. Which of the following is the top export commodity from India? A. Petroleum products. B. Electronic goods. C. Engineering goods. D. Gold. C. Engineering goods. The top 5 exports from India were engineering goods, petroleum products, gems and jewelry, chemicals and ready-made clothing. What is India's largest import commodity? A. Wheat. B. Crude oil. C. Fertilizer. D. Diamonds. B. Crude oil. Its rank as one of the most traded commodity in the world. The three main type of commodities are energy, metals and agriculture. Crude oil comes under energy commodities. Which port handles the largest volume of India's cargo exports and imports? A. Chennai Port. B. Jawaharlal Nehru Port. C. Mumbai Port. D. Kandala Port. B. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is also known as Nhava Sheva Port, handles the largest volume of India's container cargo exports and imports. It is India's largest container port located near Mumbai. Which document is mandatory for export from India? A. PAN card. B. Aadhaar card. C. Import-Export code. D. GST certificate. C. Import-Export code. The mandatory document for export from India is a IEC issued by Director General of Foreign Trade. An IEC is a 10-digit code record for any individual or entity engaging in import or export activities in India. India mainly exports which of the following agricultural product? A. Wheat. B. Sugarcane. C. Maize. D. Rice. D. Rice. Both Basmati and non-Basmati constitutes a significant portion of India's agriculture export is often cited as the top export. Besides rice, other notable agriculture exports from India include spices, sugar, buffalo meat, pulses and certain fruits and vegetables. India is the largest exporter of which of the following spices? A. Cardamom. B. Black pepper. C. Turmeric. D. Chilli. D. Chilli is consistently ranked as the top spice export from India, contributing significantly to its overall spice export revenue. Other important spices exported from India are cumin, turmeric, ginger, coriander, cardamom and black pepper. Which country is India's top trading partner in terms of both imports and exports? A. China. B. USA. C. UAE. D. Saudi Arabia. D. USA. In the last fiscal year, the United States was India's top trading partner for both imports and exports. While China remains a significant partner, the US had held the top spot for the past 4 consecutive years. By how much did the US raise tariffs on Indian goods in August 2025? A. 10%, B. 20%, C. 30%, D. 50%. D. 50%. Based on the latest available information, the US raised tariffs on many Indian goods by an additional 25% on 6th August 2025, bringing the total tariffs up to 50%. India is one of the largest exporters of which textile products? A. Silk. B. Cotton. C. Nylon. D. Polyester. B. Cotton. India is a major producer and exporter of cotton, including raw cotton, cotton yarn, and fabrics. And India is a major exporter of ready-made garments, cotton textile, and man-made textile. Specifically, RMG constitutes a largest share of India's textile export. And also, cotton textile, including raw cotton and finished goods, are also significant export, contributing India's foreign exchange earnings. India imports edible oil mainly from which country? A. Brazil and Mexico. B. USA and Canada. C. Indonesia and Malaysia. D. China and Japan. C. Indonesia and Malaysia. India's primary source of edible oil imports are Indonesia and Malaysia for palm oil, and Argentina, Brazil, Russia and UK range are soybean and sunflower oil. Palm oil is most imported edible oil, followed by soybean and sunflower oil. What is India's rank in global services exports in 2025? A. Second, B. 4th, C. 6th, D. 10th. C. 6th. In 2025, India is luckily ranked 6th in the global commercial services exports. Which Indian state is the major hub for diamond exports? A. Rajasthan, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. D. Gujarat is the Indian state where the majority of diamond export originates, with Surat being the major hub with the state. Surat is often called the Diamond City of India due to its thriving diamond cutting and polishing industry. From which country does India import the most crude oil? A. Venezuela, B. Russia, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Iraq. B. Russia was the largest supplier of crude oil to India. India imports an average of 4.83 million barrels of oil per day during this period, with Russia contributing 1.896 million barrels per day. And Iraq and Saudi Arabia followed as the second and third largest suppliers. India imports a large quantity of gold from which country? A. UAE, B. USA, C. South Africa, D. Switzerland. D. Switzerland. India imports a significant amount of gold, primarily from Switzerland. Other major sources including United Arab Emirates and South Africa. And Switzerland accounts a large portion, around 40% of India's total gold imports. India imports the most electronics from which country? A. Japan, B. USA, C. Indonesia, D. China. D. China. India imports the most electronics from China. China is India's largest import partner for a variety of products including consumer electronics, telecommunication equipments and electrical components, while other countries like Vietnam, South Korea, Japan and US also contribute to India's electronics imports. China's dominance is significant. India exports the large quantity of tea to which country? A. China, B. Australia, C. Japan, D. Iran. D. Iran. India primarily exports large quantity of tea to Iran, the United Arab Emirates and Russia. These three countries consistently ranked among India's top tea export destinations. Other significant imports of Indian tea include United States and United Kingdom. Which country is the top source of India's coal imports? A. Germany, B. Russia, C. France, D. Indonesia. D. Indonesia is the top source of India's coal imports. Indonesia accounted for 42.98% of India's coal imports, followed by Australia and South Africa. Which Indian state jumped from 15th to 11th in national export ranking in fiscal year 2024 to 25? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat, D. Maharashtra. A. Madhya Pradesh. In fiscal year 2024, Gujarat is the state with the highest export value in India, with $116.33 billion in total exports. Following Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu are the next highest exporters. Which agreement is signed July 2025 aims to eliminate tariffs on 99% of Indian export to that country? A. India EU FTA, B. India UK CETA, C. India Australia CECA, D. India UAE CEPA. B. India UK CETA. 99% of tariff elimination, stronger bilateral trade, catalyst for inclusive growth. India and the United Kingdom have signed the Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement, a bilateral free trade agreement marking a major milestone in their long-standing partnership. Abhijit Banerjee suggested India rethink its oil imports from which country amid US tariff pressures? A. Germany, B. Russia, C. France, D. Indonesia. B. Russia. Nobel Prize winning economist Abhijit Banerjee has urged India to reconsider whether cheap oil imports from Russia are worth the escalating trade cost with the United States. His remarks come after US President Donald Trump announced an additional 25% tariff Indian goods last week. Over, India continued purchase of Russian crude, taking a total duty 50%. The new tariff will take effect on 27th August. India filed an anti-dumping petition against which country's alloy steels imports in August 2025? A. Japan, B. Russia, C. America, D. China. D. China. Specifically, the petition filed by the Alloy Steel Producer Association of India focus on the import of alloy steel wire rods, which are primarily used in the automotive and defense sectors. This petition claimed that China is selling these products at unfairly low prices, negatively impacting the domestic alloy steel industry. What major policy change has India undertaken recently in response to crippling US tariffs on Indian goods? A. Launching new export incentives. B. Diversifying export towards alternate markets. C. Planning retaliatory sanctions. D. Reduce trade with Russia. B. Diversifying export towards alternate markets. On 6 August 2025, Trump increased tariffs on many Indian goods by 25%, bringing the total tariffs up to 50%. This move has raised concern about impact on Indian economy and stock market. Which category make up roughly 83 to 88% of India's imports from Russia? A. Fertilizer. B. Precious stones. C. Crude oil and petroleum products. D. Automobiles. C. Crude oil and petroleum products. Roughly 83 to 88% of India's imports from Russia are composed of crude oil. This significant reliance on Russian crude oil has grown substantially since the beginning of the Ukraine war 2022, making Russia India's top oil supplier. What recent logistical development promises to boost trade efficiently between India and Russia's forest? A. Delhi Moscow Air Corridor. B. New railway route via Kazakhstan. C. Pipeline through Central Asia. D. Chennai Vladivostok Maritime Corridor. D. Chennai Vladivostok Maritime Corridor. The Chennai-Vladivostok Eastern Maritime Corridor is a key recent logistical development that promises to significantly boost trade efficiency between India and Russia's forest, reducing transit time and distance, enhancing energy security. What is the initiative aims to make in India? A. Encourage imports. B. Promote local manufacturing and export. C. Increase gold reserves. D. Reduce taxation on foreign goods. B. Promote local manufacturing and exports. Make in India initiative was launched globally in September 2014 as a part of India's renewed focus on manufacturing. The objectives of initiative is to promote India as the most preferred global manufacturing destination. Answer for last video was 5. There are 5 oceans on the earth, or the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. The video is available on iPod. What is MEIS scheme stands for? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box.
Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.